A Brigit subscription charge usually comes from an active membership, even if you haven't recently used features like cash advances or credit monitoring. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify why you were charged, verify your membership status, and request help if the charge doesn't look right. Start by opening the Brigit app and checking your account settings. Look for your membership or subscription section to confirm whether your plan is currently active. If you recently signed up for Brigit or upgraded your account, review your billing details and renewal information. Many recurring charges happen because a subscription automatically renews unless it's canceled before the next billing cycle. Next, check the email account linked to your Brigit profile. Search for billing receipts, renewal confirmations, or subscription notifications. These messages can help explain when the charge was created and which membership it applies to. Compare the amount shown in your bank account with the amount listed in your Brigit billing history. Matching details usually confirm that the transaction is a legitimate subscription payment. If you intended to cancel your membership, verify whether the cancellation was completed successfully. Closing the app or deleting it from your phone does not automatically cancel an active subscription. Keep screenshots of your billing history and any cancellation confirmation, if you have one. Those records are helpful if you need to dispute the charge with support. If the payment is still pending, wait for it to finish processing before assuming it was charged incorrectly. Pending transactions can sometimes change status once processing is complete. Avoid creating a second Brigit account to resolve a billing issue. Managing multiple accounts can make subscription questions more difficult to investigate. If you believe the charge is incorrect, contact Brigit support through the official support options inside the app or website. Provide your account email, the transaction date, the charged amount, and any confirmation showing that you canceled your membership. Complete information helps the support team review your account and determine whether a refund or billing correction is appropriate. To sum it up, check your membership status, review your billing history, confirm whether your subscription renewed automatically, and contact support if the charge doesn't match your account activity. Next, open your Brigit subscription settings now and verify whether your membership is still active before taking any additional action. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Brigit tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.